Welcome to part 3, but something's happened here. Where's the cube? Can I borrow yours? Thanks guys, you can do this. Now, for the sixth step, the goal is to make a yellow cross. At the end, your cube should look like this. Only the yellow things. So in this we have 3 situations. I have written it down very good handwriting in this paper. So the first situation is the backwards L. So the goal, look, can you see this? Yeah. The backwards L. I would recommend you guys to write this down on one of your papers so it would be easier for you to memorize it. So in this we're going to learn a new algorithm in this. So please listen carefully. The goal of this step is to solve the yellow cross. Then the yellow cross should, you guys know how it looks. So the first situation is the backwards L. The backwards L will look like this. We've got it luckily in this. Backwards L, it can be a horizontal line or a dot, just a dot. Ignore this, just a dot. So I have found an algorithm for each and all of these. But then you guys need to memorize the algorithm. For the backwards L, we need to first place it on my perspective it looks like it's on the right hand side, on the bottom side. Then we're going to have a new notation. It's called 2F. You move like this. 2F prime. Basically take the first layer and just move it there. So we're going to do 2F, the R algorithm, and 2F prime. You got the cross. Now, when we have only the line, we'll do F, R algorithm, F prime. And when we have the dot, we will do F, R algorithm and F prime. But then we need to see whether it's one of the situation that is backwards L or a line. Corresponding to that, we need to solve it. So basically we got the white yellow cross now. I think that's it. Just kidding. We're going to learn how to solve the whole cube. The next step, solving the yellow side. So in this we're going to learn a new algorithm. The goal is to first, so there are 3 circumstances in this, the 3 situations in this. One is the fish. The fish meaning it will have only one edge. It will look like a fish. Second is 0 edges. Then third is the 2 edges. We're going to be experiencing that in all 3 of those in this situation. So what we need to do is, we need to, if you're holding the cube with the left hand, you need to first inspect. It's very important. Inspect the top layer of your cube. It should search whichever corner piece has a yellow sticker. According to that, align the thing that it reaches on your top right hand side on your left hand perspective. That sounds complicated, but it's not. Like that. So if it's on like that, can you see? So then we're going to do the algorithm. I have memorized this as up, push, down, push, up, push, push, down. But then the actual thing is R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. That's the actual algorithm. I'm going to repeat it one more time. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. Now guys, we got the fish. Now for the fish, it looks like this. There has only one corner piece solved. Then we need to move it correctly as it's facing bottom on the left hand side. On the left hand side, like that. On this side, your left hand. And then do the algorithm. Up or R, then push or U, then down or R prime, then U, then then U or push, then up, push, push, down. Now we saw the yellow cross. Congratulations! And the next step. The next step is to align the corner pieces. So we have got one. It look like this, but it look like this. Can you see? So the whole thing will be solid. So there will be one. So we're going to get rid of all things. But now let's see what our sneaky peeky thing was. Dun dun dun! These are the algorithms for solving this. What we need to do is we need to flatten this. Just fold for a long time. Then we need to go. Let's put some paper with Now since the algorithm is L prime U R U prime L U R prime R U R prime U R U2 R. That sounds very bad, but I know it sounds very bad. But I'm going to show you by doing it. If you have got one side solved, hold it on the left hand side. Then do this algorithm. Let me catch it. L prime U R U prime L U R prime R U R prime U R U2 See guys, how we got it here. But then if you see, when I was doing it until R prime, it had changed the whole thing. But that's the good part of this algorithm. You only need to memorize half of this, because the rest half is up, push, down, push, up, push, push, down, because it undoes the yellow thing and does it again. So that's how we get this. So it looks really cool, right? Then for this is the last step, to align the edges. It's going to be fun. So but then don't panic if you have nothing solved in the previous thing. Just do it once and then you get one thing solved and then just do it again. And make sure you keep it on the left side, then only it's going to work. For the 8th and last step, it's called positioning the edges. We all know this blue edge really wants to be here. This green edge really wants to be here. And this red edge wants to be here. But to make them go there, to swap these three edges, we're going to learn a new algorithm. So the algorithm goes as follows. F2 Q R prime L F2 L prime R U F2. Again F2 Q R prime L F2 L prime R U F2. So I'm going to show it to you. So F2 U R prime L F2 L prime R U F2. You solve the whole cube now. So, any difference? Guys, but then it has happened to be sometimes that it doesn't go solve in one place. It solves taking two chances. Don't panic, just do it twice and that's all will be done with the cube. So let's have a summary. What was step 1? Solve the daisy to get the daisy. Using the daisy, solving the white cross. And solving the white cross, then simultaneously the first layer, second layer, yellow cross, solving the yellow cross, aligning the corner pieces, and last is positioning the edge pieces. So with 8 steps, we have just solved the whole Rubik's Cube. I will show you a demo. Just solve the cube without these instructions. Cameraman. So I'll shuffle the cube. Shuffle it more. Oof. solve the cube now. Where find the white edges, solving the thing, here it is. Actually dropping the cube. With regular practice, you memorize this notation and algorithm, and then done. Green, where's the green? There. Got the white first layer done. Second layer. This might happen by fluke sometimes that you solve the cube without doing the step 7, step 8, but then by using to memorize step 7, step 8 also. I would request all of you all to watch all 3 parts, since I thought it would be easier for you guys to learn without using in one video itself. So I made it 3 parts. And guys, so solving the Rubik's Cube is now easy. Bye!